flexed, front, back, pointed, flexed, forward, back, pointed, forceful, exhale every time. 5 more. Make sure you engage your abs and stabilize your pelvis. Good. 2. Last one. Now leave the leg back there, point your toe. You're going to pedal around in a big circle. Here we go. And around. It's like you're riding a bike. Full range of motion. Tummy in tight. Four more. Last 2 in this direction. Now, right here, flex the foot. Press it backwards. We're going to back pedal. Here we go. And back. Abs in. Yep, side of the booty is on fire. You're going to love me for it later. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now extend that leg out, point your toe. We're going to mix it in a small bowl like this all the way around. Here we go. And around. 2, 3. Point that toe. 3, 2, 1. Reverse it. And around. 2. Come on, let's go. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now it's a big circle. Watch. All the way up and around. Here we go. And around. Exhale as you lift. Come on, I know it's burning. Fight through it. Right here. Push harder. 5, 4. We're almost there. 3, 2. Last one. We have to reverse. Take it back. And around. Come on, lift. I know they're burning. I know you are too, but we can do it. Strong legs, strong core. 5 more. 3, 2, 1. Good. One more move. Double taps. It's like this. Tap, tap, arch. Tap, tap, arch. Yeah? Here we go. And tap, tap, up. Good. Make sure that toe is facing forward. Lift that leg as high as you can. Come on. We're almost there. Home stretch on these. 5 more. 5. And back. Quick taps. And back. 3. Oh, it's burning, I know. 1 more, front and back. Front and back. All right. Flip it on your back. We're going to stretch that out really quick. So the leg you just worked,